In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Audiobook in Audible desktop out of region. We'll walk through the process on a desktop browser, keeping it simple and clear so you can complete your purchase without confusion. Before we begin, make sure you're on the official Audible website, and if prompted, sign into your account so your purchase can be added to your library right away. Start by opening Audible in your browser. At the left side of the homepage, move your mouse over the Browse area. This reveals the main categories, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for without digging through multiple menus. From the options that appear, click on Audiobooks. This takes you to the core catalog page where all available titles are organized. Use the search bar at the top to look for a specific title, author, or series. You can also try keywords if you're exploring a genre or topic. On this page, filters can help narrow your results by language, length, or release date. Availability and pricing may vary by region, so if a title isn't offered in your location, Audible will usually display a notice on the product page. When you find a book you like, click on it to open the details page. Take a moment to read the description, check ratings, and listen to the sample if one is available. Confirm the language, narrator, and total length to be sure it matches what you want. Look for price and marketplace information here as well, as it will reflect your region's catalog. When you're ready, click Buy to proceed with a direct purchase. If you're a member, you may also see options related to credits, but we'll focus on a standard purchase flow here. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. Select Add Debit or Credit to enter a new card. Fill in your card details carefully, the card number, the name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, and the security code. Make sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid verification issues. When everything looks correct, click Add Your Card. Your bank may run a quick authorization and then you'll be returned to complete the purchase. Once the payment goes through, your audiobook is added to your Audible library instantly. You can access it from your desktop or any Audible app linked to your account. If a title is restricted in your region, you'll typically see a message before checkout so you won't be charged for something you can't access. And that's it. Enjoy your new audiobook and happy listening.